All through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The
Stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
Come down, no.
Who are you?
I'm Santa Claus. It's different out there. All those kids turned into adults. They stopped believing and losing magic. So, for the good of Christmas, I'm retiring.
Wow, I didn't even know you could do that.
I think we see what the rest of the world's like as normal people.
I'm making a list of things I want to do, like meet a crossing guard.
Wow.
Dad.
Sandra, they warned you this is what I look like here. It's Dad, me. You know, I'll have a Funicino. Put cocoa in it instead of coffee. Put a little peppermint in there if you have that. Chop up some cookies and sprinkles.
Name for the order?
Santa.
Sir, my job is hard enough.
Ho, ho, ho. For the first time, I'm going to spend Christmas with my family.
New Santa is destroying Christmas spirit. When the last of the light goes out, it could be the end of Christmas.
I retired too soon. I hired the wrong guy. I've got to go back to the North Pole.